Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the app Stacked. In a nutshell, Stack is a whole bundle of online earning. Inside it you can create campaigns, for your sales page, you can create campaign to sell anything you want, you can create campaign to do affiliate marketing, you can create campaign to do sponsorship or to earn from blogs like using AdSense and random stuffs like additional stuffs, any additional stuffs you can think of. Okay, you can use the ad feature, you can use the pop-up feature inside it, and let me show you how this works. I will show you this thing partially because there are so much stuffs. If I want to show you this tool properly, it will take more than 30 minutes and I don't want to waste your time. I can give you a detailed overview of this tool. Okay, let me show you. The best thing is tutorial is given after the dashboard. Okay, so inside the tutorial, this is a very detailed tutorial, and you can go through, you can easily rely on this to know more about this tool. You can see here the overview video, the subdomain video, the campaign setup, the integration, the new campaigns, and everything is given. Inside this section, the main option is integration, like email integration. All popular integrations are available or will be available inside your purchased version. As you can see, the get response, okay, it is coming, it is taking time. The Aweber, the get response, the MailChimp, the active campaign, send lane or convertkit, everything is given. And after that, next thing is campaign. So inside campaign, if I click on campaign, I need to fill a form. If I click on create new, okay, so before creating a campaign, let me show you how a campaign looks. Okay, so this is one of the campaigns among the two. So you can see here, this is one of the campaigns, and you don't need to write any blog post to create campaign. You just need to use the RSS feed of popular blog post. RSS feed means a link will be pasted by you inside this app, and the software will work automatically to capture campaigns, to capture blogs in specific way, to capture blogs and to make contentful your website. Okay, so you can use other people's content to get traffic, to get sales, and to run your website, and this will be done in a wholesome automated way. Okay, so you can click on create new, and inside the front end you have allowed to create only 2 campaigns. The front end comes inside $19. If I delete one of them, then I will be allowed, and after that I have to fill up some form, then my campaign will be ready. I don't want to waste your time, as I have told you. So OTO, some done for you campaigns are given inside one-time offer. Some done for you campaigns are given. If I want to show you that this is a done for you campaign, so you can see here, this is a totally done for you campaign, and this is not fully done, but it is partially done. As you can see, not the middle section is not filled up, maybe the RSS link is not pasted here properly. Okay, so inside the campaign section you can paste the RSS link, and the blog post will be taken from various websites. You can use the blog, and you can use that in a totally ethical way. For content, you can use the RSS feed also. To create content, you obviously need to use that, and you can also edit any of the content, like the content source. As you can see, the RSS feed link is here. Beginners passive income, from beginners passive income, the RSS feed link is here, so you can easily capture their content, and that will be shown up inside your website. One of the 2 websites, there will be 2 websites inside front end. And next thing is category. Inside category, you can choose the category like make money online, like cryptocurrency, any kind of category, like inspirational category, spirituality category, sorry. So next thing is advertisement. While I am saying advertisement, I am saying this kind of stuff for pop-up and banner ads for advertisement. You can edit the advertisement, that will be shown up inside your website. So this is one of the, there will be some advertisement. You can place here advertisement, you can place here advertisement. This is an advertisement. And also pop-up is also available. You can see here pop-up. This is the sales page of this tool, but pop-up is given here. So this is an example of pop-up. And free traffic. Inside free traffic you will be given 100 free solo ads traffic, and that will be given in totally free. Inside bonus builder you can use the bonus builder thing. Some bonus pages done for you, bonus pages are given inside create. If I click on there, so it will give me an option that is named as done for you bonus pages. Okay, I am not exactly sure what was the name, but something like that, similar like that. Okay, so this is the load template or download template. Inside here you will be given the bonuses. It will take some time. While it is taking, let me show you, let me show you from another page, from the bookmark. Let me show you the page that I am giving you to give you my bonuses to you. So this page, from this page you can get the tool only $19, and 180 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available, and these bonuses will be given to you inside the front end. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonus. These are the mega bonus, 400 plus mega bonus, and there are also 40 vendor bonuses that will be given to you totally free from the vendor. So that's all I want to say about this tool. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay.